Good morning, guys. Good morning. We are here with the new KQI 300X. I'm just taking it for a quick ride in the morning. I rode it probably like 30 minutes already. I haven't been able to ride it because it's been raining these past couple of days. And right here, I already make a quick scratch, of course. I mean, it's nice scooter. What I noticed is has some sound. I don't know if it's the disc brakes or something that I need to adjust or something, because after applying brakes I hear like something is uh hitting or something, so I need to check it out. And other than that, it's a nice scooter. I tried suspension in this area. It's nice because we have all this area that you can ride. I already rode it in this part. The suspension looks great. So I'm just checking all the details. What I like, I just set up the come on in. I just set up the customized ride. So it has, the first time I didn't know that you can customize the acceleration. It has the normal mode, which is fast, and the chill mode. So I just noticed that if I'm using the standard mode, it goes super fast. I mean, once you accelerate, it goes super fast. So it takes time to get used to it. So I'm starting to use in the chill mode. And once I'm more comfortable with the ride, I will change it to normal mode. Other than that, I haven't done much with the settings. Basically, what I don't like is that if you want to put it on cruise mode, the app has to be on. So if for some reason the phone locks, because I don't have a phone mount yet, if the phone locks, you won't be able to have the automatic cruise control. So basically I put it on my pocket, and the settings where you had the lock, screen lock, like never or whatever. So that's how I had my phone in order to be able to have the cruise control. And also the app doesn't show you the miles per hour, only kilometers per hour, even though here in the cockpit you are able to change it. You don't see it, but you're able to change it to miles and kilometers per hour. So overall, it's a nice scooter. As I said, I just rode it for, I would say, 30 minutes because it was raining. I mean, today is Monday. It was raining the whole weekend, and during the time that I was available to take a ride, because I was working. So what I like, some of the functions really quick. Right here you have the turn signals. I don't know how you are going to be able to see it if you are driving, or at least you can use it in the evening. So you can control it with one finger. You press once, you see the right turn signal. You press again, it's off. I would hope that this will be like an electronic, probably in future models. These two buttons, they don't have anything, these two parts. I would like to have this like a automatic cruise control, like when vehicles, when you press and hold, you have the automatic cruise control. But no, you had to hold the same speed for 5 seconds, and then you have the left turn signal right here. Other thing that I don't like is you don't have so much room to put accessories on right here on the handlebars. So I'm gonna remove this what is it called, the bell, because I don't use it. I mean, I haven't used it. I'm very respectful. If I see another pedestrian, I just stop and let them pass. But I probably put my cell phone mount over here. And this thing, the windshield or whatever, I mean, it's nice, but okay. So when I'm riding, you are able to turn this off. So I don't want to use it during the day. I seldom will be riding the scooter at night because I work nights. So most likely I'm gonna be able to just use it during the day. And other than that, it's nice. I mean, the tires are nice. I just checked the pressure, and everything looks super nice. And I basically, there are 2 scratches that I did already. This one This is hard plastic. This is one right here, and the other one right here on the kickstand, right there, because I hit a rock. But I mean, other than that, this scooter is really, really, really nice. Oh, you guys have been talking about the suspension. Okay, the suspension is nice. As I said, I rode it here. It's not that I'm gonna be riding in this area all the time because I don't want to puncture the tire, and I don't really need to ride it in this kind of terrain. But it's really nice. It holds really nice, and basically you will need to like lean your body forwards in order to feel the suspension. But other than that, I mean, most of the places that I'm going to be riding the scooter is in bike paths or places like that. It's hard to, I need to buy the, what is it called? I need to buy the phone mount, and I already ordered a chest mount for my other camera so I can show you guys and, you know, record these rides, because it's really hard when you have your phone and trying to ride and have the phone with one hand and all that. So we're gonna try this little this small area. See? Oh. So it's hard to ride with one hand and having the, so as I said, I thought it was recording. So I'm in this area, so I'm gonna have to buy like a cell phone mount, chest mount for my cell phone, so I can record this point of view while I'm riding. So far I rode it in this small trail, but as I said, it's really hard to ride and hold the cell phone at the same time in this area. You see what I mean? Super hard. So I'm just gonna wait. I already ordered my chest mount and an accessory for my DJI Pocket 2, so I can have more point of view videos, because most of the videos I've seen, they have the phone right here in front of the cockpit, which is nice, but you want to see the actual point of view. So I'm gonna have like a chest cell phone mount or something like that, or probably put it in my helmet or something. So I don't know. So that's the thing. That's the new QQI 300X. Really nice scooter. And so far I have used probably 20-25%. I have close to 79-80. Last time I checked was 79 percentage battery. As I said, I'm gonna remove this bell so I can use a cell phone mount, and probably I'm gonna buy one of those extensions, you know, like you put extensions right here, so I can clip. I'm gonna have the cell phone mount over here, and probably a light. I'm still debating what am I gonna do. And also I bought a place to put my battery. I'm sorry, my drink, because I need to put my water. So I have it in storage. I use it and I put it on my clamps. It's like a clamp bottle holder, so that's what I'm gonna use so I can hold my drinks, because I don't have anything. And basically I already ordered the kryptonite, the lock, because as I said, I'm gonna be using this scooter for last mile when I'm working, because I work in Los Angeles, and some of you know the parking is really expensive. So I'm gonna probably be able to park a mile away or somewhere that I can find a cheap parking, and then go to the places that I need to go, because those areas usually the parking is like $25, $15, $20. So I just want to be able to save right there a few bucks. And then as I said, I bought the kryptonite lock. It's coming tomorrow, and I wasn't undecided on what type of lock I was going to use, but after some research, I'm going to be able to hook it up from here, and also a chain, so I can chain the back tire. It's really nice. I'm not able to record while I'm driving because I don't have a place to put the cell phone. But it's really nice. Really quick, the functions, you have the rear brake, the rear brake, the front brake, the headlight. You are able to customize it on the app, and I have it off all the time. This is the thing I don't like. Other than that, you have reflections, and the scooter is really nice. I usually carry it from my second floor when I'm charging it to my vehicle, and most of the times it lives in my Porsche when I'm charging it. Of course, I don't overcharge it, but it's nice. Really nice scooter. I drove it. I rode it for 30 minutes. I'm about, I would say, 4 miles from my house. So I'm just gonna go there and go back to the vehicle where I park, and then charge it and probably do another ride tomorrow. Hopefully by tomorrow I have my chest mount, so I'm able to record some other videos. So I bought this. Oh, also I bought this new helmet. I don't know if you can see the logo and the brake or the light. It has a light right here. I don't know if you're able to see it. So it's a rechargeable battery. So you have the light. And I got this for 15 bucks. Why? It's like $60. But remember, when you're buying the scooter, you get points. When you follow Facebook, you get points. And also, so those points were like about 42 points. And with taxes and everything, I was able to get this helmet for $17 with the taxes. 15 bucks plus the taxes, $17. And I ordered it on Friday. It arrived yesterday. That was Sunday or Saturday. No, it arrived Saturday. So it was really quick because they ship it from here, from California. Anyway, that's a quick video. Thank you for watching, guys. And hopefully I'll be able to have a phone mount or my other chest mount for my other camera, so I can record more videos, because I don't have anywhere to put my cell phone. All right, guys, thank you for checking this new KQi 300X. Peace.